So I'm going to show you one more really cool thing you can do with circles, with triangles. I have my previous equilateral triangle here. I'm going to actually delete it and I'm going to just keep the two circles. Okay, so we already know that if we have these two circles like this from A to B and then that point C is going to be an equilateral triangle. And we could also make one upside down. So if we put this point C, A to C to B, that would be equilateral triangle. But we could put another circle over here. So watch, I'm going to use, check this out. I'm going to use the compass tool. And I want to make a circle from A to B. Okay, see, I have another circle. See, it's congruent. And I'm going to slide it over here this time. See that? I'm going to line them up. Okay, isn't that cool? All right, so now I know that from A to C is congruent. In fact, here, I'm just going to make that one more time. Just one. Let's just do it right here. I just want to make sure I have it perfect. Okay, now I'm just going to slide it straight over here as best I can and put my C here. Okay, now I know that I could make a triangle over here as well, right? I could, if I made another one, I could make a triangle over here. Now I'm going to make a big giant triangle like inside, or actually I'm going to see if I can't make another shape using my circles. So let's see if I can do that. Now, if I wanted to, I could probably go, if I connect here and I connect here, let me put it down right there, and then I do another one here. Look at all these really cool circles I'm making. They're all congruent. It's it's like a flower. Okay, I'm going to make another one here to here. See that connector and this connector? Let's do that. And then, hold on, and let's make one more. If you have an opportunity to really kind of play around with this tool, it is actually pretty fun. All right, look, it looks like a flower. Okay, so what we have here is we have line segments, and we know that A to C is congruent, A to B is congruent, A to F is congruent. These are all congruent, but watch, if I connect these, this chord is also congruent. So watch, I'm going to make a line segment here from A to C. See that? And then I'm going to move it. Let's see if it'll let me move it here. Nope, it won't. Hold on. Let's do this. Let's make a line segment from C to G, and then from G to F, and then from F to B, and then from B to E, and from E to D, and from D to C. We just constructed a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided shape, which is a hexagon. Now I'm going to come over here to the polygon tool so you can really see it. And I'm just going to make it. If you use the polygon tool, then you can color it in and you can see it more clearly. Isn't that pretty cool? So if we were to keep building with circles, we can see that when we're making our circles, our radius from A to C, okay, C to B, these radii are equal distance to the points of intersection where all the circles connect. That's because they're a bunch of congruent circles. So we're just taking circles and we're using the radius as our measuring tool. It's pretty fun. You can create all kinds of sorts of designs with this. You can't hurt the tool. One thing I do like about it is if you click on anything and you go over here, you can change the colors. So you could make each circle a different color if you wanted to. You could make all the circles the same color. And you could really have some fun with this tool. Okay, so play around with it. Give yourself some time to explore. See if you can make other shapes, maybe with the circle. Maybe try making a square. We're going to actually do that in another lesson, but you can play around and see if you can make the square. Look at that, isn't that cool? And then my big one here in the middle. There we go. Look at that, pretty awesome. All right, guys, have fun.